In 2014, we launched the color format to give DIYers an affordable, modular way to build their own real analog audio gear. We launched with just a single 500 series module, the color palette, and 3 colors. We then introduced the CP5 mic preamp with a single color slot. Since then, the format has matured into the ultimate way to bring real analog color to your mixes, with dozens of modules from various designers. And the new Color Duo is simply the best way to get into the format. The Color Duo's mic preamp, identical to our CP5, is the ultimate in low noise and sonic transparency. This isn't your interface's built-in preamps. It's crystal clear with best-in-class components, and it's got a built-in high-pass filter and stepped controls for easy recall and stereo matching. The Color Duo has 3 color slots per channel, each with independent controls and bypass switches. The color section feeds into a makeup gain and trim stage, followed by a mix knob for blending between the clean and colored signals. Colors were made to be swapped, but until now they've been locked behind a 500 series faceplate. The Color Duo changes all of that with a sliding color drawer. The front panel detaches without any tools and the drawer slides out, giving you immediate access to the colors at any time. We are taking pre-orders for the Color Duo right now in our store, so head over and check it out. Also, just a heads up, what you've seen in this video is our most recent prototype. So while the features will be the same in the final version, things might shift around just a little bit. Thanks for watching.